Okay, today we are going to do how to write the numbers in descending order. First, we are to write the numbers in descending order. First, we'll see whether we can read these numbers. To do this activity, Elisha girl is ready to help to me. Right, okay, Elisha, read this number first.
65,212, 56,212, 65,612.
Okay, to write these numbers in descending order means you need to write the numbers to the biggest to smallest, right? Okay, we'll see how to write these numbers to the biggest to smallest. Check the number 65,212. Here 56,212. Here 65,212. Now you can 65,612. Right. So to do that, 65,212, 65,612. Which is the biggest number? Here see 6, 6. 1000 column 5, 5. 100 column 2, 6. So which is the biggest number, Elisha?
6.
65,612. Okay, right here 65,000, 65,612. Okay, then tell me what's the next biggest number?
65,212.
Okay, right, 65,212. The last number.
56,212.
Okay, right, 56,212. Okay, we'll do the next one. Read this number.
45,200, 25,400, 52,400.
Okay, from here, what's the biggest number?
52,400.
Okay, right. The biggest number, the largest number, 52,400. Okay, the next one.
45,200.
Okay, right. 45,200. The smallest number.
25,400.
25,400. Okay, the last one. Read the number.
83,250. 38,520. 85,320.
Okay, by looking at this, tell me what's the largest number, the biggest number?
85,320.
Okay, right. 85,320. The next one?
83,250.
Okay, the next one? 83,250. The smallest number?
38,520.
Okay, 38,520. So that's how you have to write the numbers in descending order.